Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cargo's channel. I hope all of you are having a great day, you're staying safe and healthy in this time of crisis. Pardon the beard, but I'm self-quarantining myself, so yeah, I'm gonna keep it for a little bit. Let me know how you like it down in the comments below. But one of the things that you need to maintain on a new car that you get, new used car that you get, besides the air filters and the oil change and the transmission service, is the change of the cabin air filters. Change of the cabin air filter is very important because it doesn't let debris come inside the cabin, and not only it's better for you to breathe a better air, and you don't know who maintained the car before, so you're gonna keep it up to date with maintenance, but also some of the electronics inside can get broken down and give you errors because of dust, and dust can come through unserviced air filters. So let's change the air filters of my CL55 AMG. I got these come in a pair man filters from FCP Euro. It's great because FCP Euro gives you a lifetime warranty on parts like this as well, filters, yes, as well as oil, believe it or not, brakes and brake pads. Fantastic company. If you don't know about it, which I doubt, go and check them out. Best place to get parts for your Euro project car. But I'm gonna leave a link to this exact filters on Amazon down in the description, just in case you want to support the channel, you want to buy them from there. Why not? Let's get into it. To start, open your glove box and empty it from all that's inside. There are two caps right here. If you can't pry them with your nail, do that. Otherwise, use a flathead screwdriver to take them out. In my case, I'm going to use this little blade to just pop the cap real quick. Here we go. There is one and there is two. Leave these somewhere safe, like right here, so you don't lose them. Now, in CL, the W215 body chassis and the W220 chassis, the procedure is exactly the same. There are 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3 up here, and 4, and those are Phillips heads. And we're gonna, since I can't fit a big screwdriver in, I'm gonna use my little ratchet with a Phillips tip attached to it. Okay. I'm gonna loosen them up and then finish the rest by hand. Now, if you don't have a magnetic tip, I recommend using tweezers to take the bolts out after you unscrew them completely from over there. So there are 2 bolts here, 2 up there. My car, unfortunately, has already been opened and those bolts have been lost. So we're just gonna do these 2, but keep in mind that there are 2 more up there corresponding. So with a nice firm pull, we're going to pull the whole assembly out, but be careful because you have 2 things to disconnect. One is this right here, the connector for the light, for the glove box light. I'm gonna see if I can do it with one hand. There we go, disconnected. And this little contraption that helps open your glove box, you're just gonna lift the wheel up. Okay, lift the little wheel up, and then guide the little wire out, and it pops right out. We're gonna set this aside, and this is what we're looking at. This right there in the back is the compartment where the filters are. I'm gonna put this on top. side. Okay, so you pull this white tab up, and that's gonna release the door. Pull towards you and then out to the left, and look how nasty everything is right there. There are leaves and a bunch of other bullshit, and these are apparently not the original filters, so somebody have changed them, but a long time ago. And look at this nastiness. All right, so I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna rest you right here. Oh my god, look at how nasty this is. Unbelievable. This all is going inside the cabin and in your lungs, and some even on my jeans. If you have a small vacuum, you can clean up whatever it is left over inside the glove box, and then we're gonna reinstall the filters, the clean filters, which are down there. So now we're gonna compare the old to the new filter, and let me tell you something. This filter right here doesn't have the little spongy material on the side, so this is aftermarket. This is a OEM filter. This prevents debris to go between the two filters and inside your system. So we're gonna take the new filters and slide them in, and slide them all the way to the right. I mean, the first one has to go all the way to the right. I'm just gonna push it real quick. There we go. Make sure it's all the way, otherwise the other one won't fit. And now we're gonna line them up, and everything should work just fine. Oh. Now you can see, I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit, how in between the two filters the spongy material is connected and it's compressed a little bit, so there is no gap in between the two filters where debris can enter your AC system, your ventilation. So now what we have left to do is reinstall the little door for the compartment. The two legs line up with the two holes on the right, and then you press this and a clip to all the way down to secure the door. What we have left to do is reinstall our glove box. So it works well if you rest it on your knee, and then connector for the dome light is gonna go in. We're gonna see the light come up and click. Then we're gonna put the little tiny aluminum ball in with the wire secured, and then we're just going to press this little white plastic wheel in. And okay, we're gonna put it in position, and first we're gonna check out if it actually opens. So it opens. Now we can put in the screws, which I only have two of, as I said earlier. I'm gonna put them right in there. All right. Okay. I'll screw them by hand to begin, and then I'm gonna use my little ratchet for the rest of the way. Torque to spec, and we can close it. Job done. Okay, we got one more important maintenance item out of the checklist on my CL. We changed the cabin air filters, which is very important. This car though comes with a set of 4 cabin air filters. This right there that we just changed was the first line of defense, but there are also 2 carbon activated air filters that are underneath the glove box, and those we're gonna change another day. We're gonna make another how-to video. Those are actually activated by this little button right here, and I'm not gonna use it until I change the filters. Let me focus a little bit. Okay, there it is. So that little pass-through filtration system right there. I'm pretty sure you couldn't see it, but anyway, job well done. If you like today's video and you want to change your filters on your own, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe for a lot more videos to come. I hope all of you stay safe, healthy, and positive in this time of crisis. Have a great day.